Hey, it's Ian Davlin. Wanted to let you know about a new product from Gluboost that I'm pretty excited about. It's the Finish UltraThin. One of the reasons I'm excited about it is I learned to wipe on with paper towels, just regular white paper towels, almost like a French polish style. CA, when I was working at Breedlove in their finish department, works really well with catalyzed polyurethane. It did, even with any of the regular CAs, it works pretty good with catalyzed polyurethane. The Gluboost works good with catalyzed polyurethane, but it also works really well with nitrocellulose lacquer, which is where a lot of the other CAs fall apart. They don't look good under the lacquer. Oftentimes it's very difficult to get lacquer to stick to them. Don't have any of those problems with the Gluboost products. One of the reasons why I'm super excited about the UltraThin is that the thin CA allows you to put it on a lot more smoothly, and just like anything else, any other kind of finish, the smoother it goes on, the less sanding you're going to have to do afterwards. And I'm going to demonstrate that here right now. So I've got a few things. I've got a blue paper towel. This is what I'm going to be spraying the Gluboost accelerator onto to kick it. I've got some paper towels here that we're going to apply the glue with. I've got this nylon rod that I'm going to back this paper towel with, non-stick. I got some 600 dry from Stu Mac, the sticky 600, and I've got some 2000 grit. And I'm going to go ahead and demo what this looks like to get this product on and looking sharp. So to start things off, we'll just kind of move this stuff out of the way. I'm going to take the accelerator and I'm going to hit the blue paper towel. This doesn't need to be soaking wet. It just needs to kind of be on there just a little bit. Rub that on there. And then I'm going to take the paper towel with the nylon backer there. I'm going to grab some of the CA here and put this on just like that. I'm going to press down and just kind of wipe that across. And it may be a little bit difficult to see there, but boy, that went on thin and it went on really, really smooth. No disrespect for the fill and finish thin and the fill and finish medium. It has its place. But man, that went on so smooth. So I'm going to kick the paper towel again. That's already dry, but I'm just going to set it up to dry the next one. And we'll go ahead and throw that on there. And this is a rinse and repeat until you get the film thickness that you're looking for. Once again, because that kicker is going on there in between coats, that CA is dry for the next, for the next go around almost immediately. Even though that's going on thin, that's quite a bit of finish. That's quite a bit of gel, and you can see this is really, 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 really well applied here. It looks, like in terms of depth to the trough, I would say it's very, very subtle. So I'm going to take some 600 dry. I'm going to level this out. So all of this is in real time here. I don't know what your experience, if you ever used this wipe-on technique before, but this is leveling out so unbelievably fast. It's just... All right, so that's leveled out with the 600 grit dry. I'm going to switch over to the 2000. I'm skipping a step here. You could go to 1000. Most of the situations that I'm dealing with in repair, I don't need it to be ultra high gloss. So I can skip a few steps and the sheen winds up being kind of what I'm looking for. Using a little bit of naphtha to lubricate the sandpaper here. Okay, I got a buffer here. I'll give it some compound. That's already quite shiny. I'm going to give it a little bit of the Manzurna compound here. Go slow so I don't sling it everywhere. And that is really good, and the sheen is really nice. Not over gloss like a lot of the CAs are. That's just, boy, I'd be really excited if I got done with a touch-up on the side of a Martin and I was able to get that kind of look that fast. So in summation, Fill and Finish Ultra Thin Pro Formula, excellent stuff, highly recommend.
Thank you.